Finding the right watering can is essential for keeping your plants healthy and thriving. The best watering can help you water with ease and precision, making plant care simpler. In today's video, we'll take a closer look at the top watering cans available, highlighting what makes them stand out. Stick around to find the perfect one for your gardening needs. BLOEM Easy Pour Watering Can. If you're looking for a reliable and practical watering can, the BLOEM Easy Pour Watering Can is an excellent choice. With a 2.6-gallon capacity, it offers generous space for larger gardening tasks, minimizing the need for frequent refills. What stands out is its dual-handle design, which includes a hinged handle for easy pouring and comfortable maneuvering. It reduces wrist strain significantly, perfect for those with larger gardens or multiple plant care needs. The 2-in-1 adjustable spout adds another layer of versatility, allowing you to switch between a gentle shower and a heavy stream based on your plant's needs. Plus, the spout is removable, making it easy to clean. The thick-walled polypropylene construction ensures durability, and the UV-stabilized plastic guarantees it'll withstand harsh weather conditions without fading or cracking. This watering can isn't just functional, it's built to last. The side-filling hole makes refilling a breeze, and the BPA-free material ensures it's safe for both your plants and the environment. At around $31, it offers great value for the price. If you're looking for a simple, durable, and easy-to-use watering can, the BLOEM Easy Pour is a solid option. BOSMERE HAWS Watering Can. The BOSMERE HAWS handy plastic watering can is a top contender in the mini watering can market. Perfect for indoor gardeners. Its compact design, holding just 1 pint, makes it the ideal tool for delicate plants like succulents, orchids, and seedlings. The lightweight plastic body is durable and UV stabilized, ensuring long-lasting performance, while its ergonomic handle ensures ease of use even for younger gardeners. The standout feature is the removable brass-faced rose that provides a consistent, gentle sprinkle for careful watering. If you need a more direct stream for larger plants, simply remove the rose. The long spout is designed for precision, ensuring that each plant gets the perfect amount of water, avoiding splashes and waste. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced plant enthusiast, this watering can's simple, effective design makes it a joy to use. It's a thoughtful addition to any indoor plant care routine, offering both function and a touch of elegance with its sage green color. In short, the BOSMERE HAWS handy plastic watering can is a reliable and charming tool that simplifies the watering process while delivering excellent results. XXXFLOWER Watering Can. Introducing the XXXFLOWER Green Watering Can, the perfect companion for any gardener looking for a reliable, ergonomic tool. This lightweight watering can is crafted from durable PP resin, offering both strength and longevity while maintaining ease of use. With a 1.5-gallon capacity, it reduces the need for constant refills, making it ideal for larger gardens or multiple plants. The design features 2 well-placed handles for easy pouring, with the top handle assisting in lifting and stability, even when fully loaded. The detachable 16.1-inch spout is a standout feature, allowing you to switch between a fine shower for delicate plants or a strong stream for larger ones. Whether you're watering flowers, vegetables, or indoor plants, this can have you covered. What sets this watering can apart is its versatility. You can customize the flow to suit various plant types, and the non-leaking spout ensures efficient, controlled watering. It's lightweight enough for all ages, from children to adults, making it an accessible tool for everyone in the family. With its thoughtful design and sturdy build, the XXXFLOWER Green Watering Can is a fantastic addition to any garden setup. Whether as a gift or for your own use, it's a solid choice for anyone passionate about gardening. GARUTOM Galvanized Watering Can. The GARUTOM Galvanized Watering Can is a must-have for any gardening enthusiast who values both style and functionality. With its 1-gallon capacity, this metal watering can is perfect for both indoor plants and garden flowers. The galvanized steel construction ensures durability and rust resistance, making it a reliable tool that can withstand the elements for years to come. What really sets this watering can apart is its versatility. The detachable spout offers the option to choose between a steady stream for larger plants or a gentle shower for more delicate ones. This dual functionality ensures that you can meet the needs of all your plants, whether indoors or outdoors. The ergonomic handles make it easy to carry and pour even when filled to capacity, while the lightweight design ensures that it's comfortable to use for long periods. Aesthetically, the vintage galvanized steel finish adds a charming countryside touch to your garden or home decor, making it as much a decorative piece as a functional one. Whether you're watering your garden or tending to indoor plants, this watering can is a great addition to your gardening toolkit. In summary, the GARUTOM Galvanized Watering Can blends durability, versatility, and classic design, making it a fantastic choice for gardeners of all levels. DR.UANG Indoor Watering Can. Introducing the DR.UANG Indoor Watering Can, the perfect solution for your indoor plant care needs. This 1.2-liter watering can offers a practical yet stylish design that combines functionality with ease of use. The flower-shaped head is not only eye-catching but also versatile, providing 2 watering modes: a gentle shower for delicate leaves and a steady stream for watering roots. Whether you're tending to small houseplants or larger, more robust greenery, this watering can have you covered. Made from durable, high-strength plastic, the DR.UANG watering can is built to last. The watertight construction ensures that you won't experience any leaks while watering, giving you peace of mind with every use. Its ergonomic handle makes it easy to hold and control, reducing strain on your wrist even during extended watering sessions. One standout feature is the clear measuring scale on the side, which allows for precise water amounts, ensuring your plants get the hydration they need without overwatering. At just 0.27 kilograms, it's light enough to carry around the house or garden without hassle. If you're looking for a practical yet attractive watering can, the DR.UANG is an excellent choice.